Namaste to one and all. This is Madhu from Bharati Devons Residential Public School, Tadepalligudem. In this video, let us learn two topics. First one is transformation of imperative sentence into passive voice. Second one is sentences of future tense into passive voice. So let us start first one. Transformation of imperative sentence into passive voice. Imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are nothing but commands, requests, advices. When imperative sentence is in positive, how to transform into passive voice? Let us see. When there is an imperative sentence in positive, we have to follow the structure. What is the structure? Let us see now. Let plus, object plus, be plus, past participle. Past participle is nothing but verb 3. Here is a note. Subject is hidden in imperative sentences. For example, post this letter. It is in active voice. Here, post this letter, subject you is hidden here. You post this letter. Post this letter means you post this letter. Subject you is hidden here. Basing on the structure, let us transform into passive voice. Let already we have taken. What is the subject? Object here. Object. This letter is object. Here we have taken. This letter is object, and be we have written here, and past participle of post is posted. So the answer is let this letter be posted. This is the answer in passive voice. Example 2. Throw the ball immediately. Throw the ball immediately. It is in active voice. Throw the ball immediately. It is in active voice. Let us see how to transform into passive. Let we have taken. The ball is object here. So the ball we have taken be, and past participle of throw is thrown. So the answer is let the ball be thrown immediately. This is in passive voice. Example 3. Send this mail. Send this mail. This mail is object. So let this mail be, past participle of send is sent. Let this mail be, sent is answer. When imperative sentence is in negative, we have to follow the structure. Let plus, object plus, not plus, be plus, past participle. Verb 3. Do not beat the dog. It is an active voice. Let the dog. Object is the dog. That is why we have taken a step 2. Let the dog not be, and past participle of beat is beaten. So the answer is let the dog not be beaten. Example 2. Don't waste my time. Let, here object is my time. Let my time not be wasted. Here wasted. Waste past participle is wasted. So the answer is let my time not be wasted. Then sentences of future tense into passive voice. Let us see. Simple future tense. In future tense, first one is simple future tense. The be form is will be. Let us see example. Swati will draw a picture. It is an active voice. So as step 1 we have written object in place of subject. What is the object? A picture. A picture we have written in place of subject. Step 1. Here be form will be we have written as step 2. And past participle of draw is drawn. Step 3. Preposition by we have written as step 4. As fifth step, we have written subject in place of object. What is the subject? Swati. Swati we have written in place of object. The answer is a picture will be drawn by Swati. Then next tense. Future continuous tense. Example. Swati will be drawing a picture. When there is a sentence in future continuous tense, there is no passive voice. Then third one. Future perfect tense. For future perfect tense, be form is will have been. Let us see example. Nandan will have done an activity. It is in active voice. So the answer is an activity we have written in place of subject as step 1, and will have been we have written as step 2, and past participle of do is done as step 3, and preposition by we have taken as step 4, and finally we have written subject in place of object Nandan. So the answer is an activity will have been done by Nandan. Then fourth one in future tense is future perfect continuous tense. Example, Varun will have been playing for 3 hours. Varun will have been playing for 3 hours. When there is a sentence in future perfect continuous tense, there is no passive voice. So children, I hope you understand and use it to complete worksheet 5. Thank you.